Hey loves, let's make this dreamy moonlight nail together. Don't forget to tell me what color you'd use for your version. I'm starting with a black base and applying a layer of cat eye top ice gel. Then I use a magnet to pull the sparkler toward the tip. Now I'm brushing on a thin layer of blue glass gel. Using a tiny plus sign as a guide, I'm drawing a circle with white gel polish. Don't cure it yet. I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and left a comment. Your support means so much and helps me keep creating more amazing content for you. Gently adding soap foam on top of the wet gel. Now cure it as it is. Let's remove the foam. Look, we got a moonlight texture with cute little craters. I'm mixing gray with a little top coat and shading around the moon for that dreamy effect. Sealing the whole nail with glossy top coat to lock it all in. Last step, just a few tiny stars and sparkles to complete the night sky look. Would you add more stars or maybe a little glassy swirl? Drop your ideas in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cute nail ideas.